So guys, I over bleached my knots. I never use that method for bleaching knots, but I did over bleach them, and as you can see in this clip, they are definitely over bleached. I am going to be showing you guys how to fix that in a later clip, so stay tuned. So what you want to do is get a very good strong dye. I feel like Adore is the perfect dye for this technique. You can either get black or dark brown, and you want to take something like this or even a face makeup brush, a small one, and be very careful not to get any on the lace, and just apply this to any of the knots that are over bleached. And it's just that simple. You do not have to wash it out or anything like that. Once it dries, and it's not going anywhere. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just here to do a review. This hair comes from a company by the name of LuHair, like L-U hair. We're gonna say Lu. Most time, you know, I mispronounce things, but LuHair company. Now, starting right off, I'm going to say some things that I really liked about this company is that with my wig, it came with a wig grip, a comb, and a wig cap. I have never received the wig that came with all that. Okay, so it comes with everything for you. So that way, whenever you make your wig or get somebody else to make it, whatever the case may be, you're ready, you're set. You don't have to really run to the store and get anything because it was all in the box. I've never received a wig that came with a wig grip before. I think that is super convenient because everybody loves wig grips, like super convenient. So anyways, let's get straight into the hair. The hair that I have a 360 unit. 360, if you don't know, that means that there is lace all around the perimeter of the unit. That way, if you want to pull your hair up in like one of those high ponytails, then you can do so and nobody won't like clock the lace or anything like that. So if you want to glue it all the way around, you definitely can. It does 360 units do make the styles, it makes the styles more versatile. Okay, so if you're the type of person who like 360 units, then this will definitely be the unit for you. I think I have 22 inches in this wig, but I will leave the specs down below. I will leave all the specs and everything down below so y'all can, you know, check it out, click the links and everything like that. So this wig was pretty easy to work with as far as I did pluck the frontal a little bit. I didn't pluck it too much, and I did lay a few baby hairs around the perimeter. But yeah, like I said, it has been pretty pretty easy to work with. I'm sorry. Also, this is a pretty easy texture too. Now, this hair is not high maintenance. You are going to have to put a little bit of product in it. I would say a little bit of mousse. Get it a little wet and then put a little bit of mousse and scrunch it up, and that's all this hair needs. As far as being like on a scale from 1 to 10 of being high maintenance, it's not like 10 out of control or anything. That no, it's not. It is very easy to work with. I haven't received a lot of shedding or anything. I even bleached these knots. Oh my goodness, let me tell y'all about that. So I ended up bleaching these knots and things went completely wrong because I like bleached the roots, like all the roots on this wig were bleached completely blonde. So I had blonde roots and the rest of the hair was its natural color that it came. So it was terrible. So I had to end up fixing the blonde roots, and then I dyed the hair jet black. So the hair did not come in this color. I dyed it this color. It came like that natural brownish, like, you know, that natural 1B-ish like color. But yeah, I did dye it jet black. It took the dye really well. well, super well, and also took to that bleaching well. I really thought that I had fried the hair because the bleach that I used, it was for 40 volume. I have, and I've been saying this the last couple videos, but that's all I had in there. So the bleach I used was 40 volume developer, and I had forgot that I left it on there, and I was in a hurry when I was putting it on there, and that's how it happened. I missed and bleached the roots, but luckily none of the hair fell out, you know. I was sure that once I went to go wash the bleach out and dye it, I was sure that the hair was going to be falling off the front piece, but it wasn't. The hair is fine, it's still intact, and even after that I haven't been experiencing a lot of brittleness and a lot of dryness. The hair has been fine, it's been nice, I really like it. But as far as the curl, not brittleness and dryness like from the bleaching, but as far as the curls, make sure you put some mousse or some type of curling cream in this, because the ends of the hair, as y'all can see, the ends of the hair, they can get a little frizzy. So make sure you put some product, especially on the ends of the hair, because that's the main parts that kind of frizz up. So get you some product. I use just this regular mousse right here. Okay, but that's pretty much it. Other than that, the hair is pretty. It's like this loose, it's loose wave, hence the name. But yeah, it has like these loose curls, like loose little waves in it, and it's just very easy to deal with. I would definitely say this is some get up and go hair, and it's nice. So if you guys would like to check it out, check out the company and things like that, links will definitely be down below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and you guys know I'll get back to y'all. I'll see y'all in my next one.